Mani mazie zvaniņi ir ieradušies tavā acu priekšā. Vai tu esi gatavs?
2,16 metri augsts. Ja tu skaties uz viņu, tu skaties uz
KP6, Porzingis, 3'6", Latvia, Porzingis Rex, all nicknames for the almighty Kristaps Porzingis. He's a power forward for the New York Knicks. He is 7'3" and a monster in all facets of the game. He is a beast on the boards and has got a beautiful shot. Porzingis has taken over the NBA with his almighty signature putback dunks.
A putback dunk is a dunk after somebody misses a shot. Kristaps does this every now and then, and it automatically electrifies the crowd. New York has embraced their Latvian prodigy. Today, we are going to teach you to be like KP. Putback dunks are a rarity in the sport, but today you will learn to be that rarity. When you put back, always remember,
Beef. Beef stands for B balance, E eyes, E elbow, F follow through. This acronym is used for free throws, but we have modified it for putbacks.
First, you must balance.
Rektums, vecums, greznums, lepnums, dzērājs. Nevēlos melot un novecot dzērumā, nevēlos sērot un spēkoties lēmumā.
now you must eye and locate that ball.
Now elevate and take place.
Follow through with authority. Now that you can dunk like KP, use these skills wisely. RDFS.